Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the Nightlight or a comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find the display. And here we've got something called Nightlight. So we can simply tap on it to open more options. And let's begin with the first switcher. After tapping on it, you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can either turn it on manually or you can turn it on automatically just by tapping on the switcher. And here we've got two options. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. As you can see, we have to turn on the location, so just tap on set and tap on the switcher here to use location. All right, and here we've got the customization of the effect, kind of. So we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left here with this first switcher, we can make it a little bit cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. It's actually quite orange, I would say. Here we can also reduce white point, so the intensity of the colors. We can go on low, so this option will be turned off, or on high, and as you can see, basically the screen will be a lot darker than it was before. All right, so this is how it works. This is how works the customization of this mode. And if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar, and let's unroll fully this section to open more options. And now all we have to do is to try to find the Nightlight, which is apparently not here, as you can see in my case. But no worries, all you have to do is to tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And now we can customize this section. So let's scroll down and find the shortcut Nightlight. Now all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it and drag it to this first section and position it wherever you'd like to. For example, here in my case. After that, let's go back. As you can see, the Nightlight is now in my case here, so we can simply tap on it to turn it off and tap on it again to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.